Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sri Astuti and I would like to present my final project entitled using Go Fish game to improve third grade students vocabulary at SDI Sabilal Muhtadin. And in this presentation, we will discuss introduction and then literature review, methodology, and the last references. The first one is introduction. So in this chapter consists of background of study, research question, research objective, and significance of study. Background of study. One of the main problems experienced by teachers or often happens in teaching English to students is that teachers do not prepare the material thoroughly. Sometimes teachers often use old methods such as lecture methods and do the exercises. It makes students feel bored and less fun. Therefore, the teacher is responsible in determining the appropriate method in teaching vocabulary that supports students to get understand easily. Nah, jadi di sini the researcher itu melihat dari akar permasalahannya itu saking banyaknya guru yang menggunakan metode pembelajaran yang monoton begitu ya. Nah, itu bisa membuat the studentsnya itu merasa bored and kurang menyenangkan. Di sini it's important for us as the teacher to choose what's the good and appropriate method in teaching vocabulary, to support our students. And learning activities for teaching English for children should be accompanied by the use of media, especially visual. What this research is trying to find is how the application of Go-Fish game in teaching vocabulary can improve students' vocabulary, because in reality the actual conditions are difficult for students to master vocabulary because of the ineffective strategies teachers use in teaching English. Therefore, with this research is expected to produce ideal condition that must occur in students where students can enjoy the learning process and get the lessons vocabulary as possible. So in learning activities, using a media is important to make our students pay attention and interesting for the lesson in our class. So this is the researchers interested to use Go-Fish game in teaching vocabulary, and hopefully it can improve students' vocabulary, and it will be an effective strategies in the process of learning. And then research question. The question is it's typo. The question is how Go-Fish game improves third grade students vocabulary at SDI Sabilal Muhtadin. And then the research objective is to find how Go-Fish game improves third grade students vocabulary at SDI Sabilal Muhtadin. And the significance of study is The results of this research are expected to give some significance theoretically and practically for the English teachers and the readers and the future researchers. So the teachers can use the research to be example and references, and also the readers can get knowledge and improve uh, their vocabulary, and also for the future researchers, uh, hopefully the research can be uh, give more information for the future researchers. And then literature review, and in this chapter we will discuss vocabulary, flashcard, and previous studies. Definition of vocabulary, and according to Muhammad Najat et al., uh, he stated that the vocabulary is a basic element of a language which is used to label things like things, nature, and verbs to explain the purpose of what to say. In Oxford Learner's Pocket Dictionary explains that vocabulary is number of words the student knows and uses, and then the number of words used in the language, and a word list consisting of words and their meanings. Komachali and Khoda, he continues to say that the vocabulary usually develops and increases at every age level and fundamentally serves as a communication tool. Okay. Definition of flashcard. So, flashcards are small cards containing image, text, or symbols that remind or guide students to something related to image that can be used to practice spelling and enriching the vocabulary. The size of the post and image in the flashcards must be large enough so that all class members can see the content in the flashcard. Okay. Images tend to be memorable compared to concrete words and are usually easier to store in memory than abstract words. So, biasanya flashcard ini uh, bisa berupa gambar atau tulisan atau simbol apa saja yang ada di kartu itu. Nah, biasanya flashcard ini ukurannya itu harus besar agar siswa di kelas itu bisa melihat dengan jelas, dan juga ini akan lebih efektif to use image karena biasanya untuk young learners, bagi mereka yang mempunyai low comprehension, itu mereka itu lebih bagus menggunakan image karena ada beberapa students itu ketika mereka diberikan words mereka tidak dapat memahami, tapi ketika mereka diberikan flashcard yang ada image-nya, mereka bisa menangkap dan memahami vocabulary tersebut. And then previous studies, according to Hanafi Wibowo and Umi Laila Sharifah, students stated that they were interested in Go Fish game. They also feel happy during the learning process. They feel they have the ease of learning English and can really improve or add the English vocabulary they have. And in the research conducted by Norman, The use of Go Fish game can improve students' vocabulary mastery of the 7th grade at MTS Putra Putri Lamongan in the academic year of 2016 until 2017. And he also says, in this game, all of students have an important role in the English class. So, Go Fish game makes students feel enjoy to follow vocabulary class. So, jadi di sini kita punya dua previous studies. Yang pertama ini according to Hanafi Wibowo and Umi Laila Syarifah and by Nurman. Kedua penelitian ini sama-sama menggunakan model karyanya Kurt Lewin, yaitu mereka menggunakan 4 langkah. Yang pertama planning and then action, after action observation, and then the last they do the reflection. Okay. So pada penelitian yang dilakukan Hanafi Wibowo dan Umi Laila Syarifah ini, mereka melakukan prosesnya ada 2 cycle, di mana pada cycle pertama itu mereka mendapatkan skor students itu di bawah KKM, jadi mereka akan melanjutkan ke cycle 2 atau cycle kedua. Nah, di cycle kedua ini the score of students can reach the KKM atau mampu memenuhi KKM, yaitu 81,75. Nah, kemudian in the research conducted by Nurman, the students cannot reach the KKM in cycle 1 atau di cycle pertama, and then pada cycle kedua the score of students can reach the KKM yaitu 92,41. And then the chapter 3 is methodology. This chapter consists of research design, data source and data, and the research instrument and technique of data collection. So, the method that will be used to analyze the data is classroom action research method. So, action research is one form of research design. In action research, the researcher describes, interprets, and explains a social situation at the same time by making change or interventions with the aim of improvement or participation. And then data source and data. The number of participants in the study are 30 in total, consists of both male and female students. So the students involved in this research are class 3B atau kelas 3B, students in SDI Sabiria Al-Muhtadin. This research will be done on the day, and the treatment will take 3 times meeting, and the instruments to be used are observation sheets, interview sheets, and documents including Go Fish test and games. Jadi di sini jumlah sampel yang diteliti itu ada 30, yang mana ini merupakan dari siswa laki-laki dan perempuan, dan sampelnya ini merupakan kelas 3B di SDI Sabiria tadi. Nah, akan dilakukan pada hari yang sudah ditentukan oleh researcher dan dilakukan 3 kali pertemuan, yang mana pada for the first meeting the researcher doing action, and the Second meeting also the action, and the last meeting the researcher give a test or post test to the students. Jadi di sini instrumennya yang digunakan adalah berupa observation, interview, and document, yang mana itu merupakan tes dan game. Technique of data collection. So teachers will teach them a selective topic related to their daily activities and then give them some related vocabulary to master, and the teacher will show them the vocabulary and then explain the meaning of every word in a sentence. Then the teacher will show and tell them to the procedure in using Go Fish games in class and ask them to participate in the gameplay until they seem to master the vocabulary. And after the game is over, the teacher will ask how it feels, make observations and interviews, and test whether the game is effective or not. Di sini the researcher will choose a selected topic to their daily activities, and then firstly the researcher also will explain about the vocabulary, the meaning, and then also the researcher introduce what is Go Fish game and the procedure, and also then after doing the action, the researcher don't forget to ask the students how they feeling, and also and the last give the test to get the score of students. And the last references. Okay, thank you for watching. I think that's all for my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.